Hello, thank you for your interest in our UtiliShelf. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to easily open up the UtiliShelf. First, you want to hold the UtiliShelf to you with the magnets facing you and the logo outside. Next, you want to grab each side of this area with different hands and pull to the opposite direction. And then now it'll allow you to open the UtiliShelf. You can easily place it on a magnetic surface.